interior and exterior of an angle. Let's suppose that we have two rays. Or let me take it somewhere down here. We have two rays. Okay, so this is the vertex O, A and B. We have this angle, that is angle AOB, right? We have angle AOB. Now if you see that if I take a point A here, okay, so let me explain you in this way. That this whole region that lies within this angle, like if I take this, right, this whole region will be the interior, this region will be interior of this angle AOB, and rest all region that is outside of this angle, this whole, will be exterior of this angle. Interior means the inside area and the exterior means the outside area. Now you'll be thinking that, hey, what about this area? Again, interior is not restricted to only this area. Why? As you can see that this is a ray. Ray has an end point or an initial point, but you know that ray travels indefinitely. So if I extend this area, this ray like this, and this one also like this, okay, I have extended it again. So this whole area, that is, if I take this area, will again be the interior. If I further extend this, if I further extend this ray, because this is a ray and it will travel indefinitely, again this whole area will be the interior, again this will be interior. So the point is that whenever you have a given angle and it has been drawn, like it was in this case, so if it is somewhere here, if it lies somewhere lies in between those two arms, between the two arms of the angle, that is this one angle, suppose this is point A, so this will be in the interior of this angle AOB. If it was here, then again it will be the interior. If it was here, again it will be the interior. Okay, so these points are in the interior. Normally the way you will be asked is it will be the simple question, like it will be given to you in this way and this way. A point will be given here, that's point A. Okay, now if I take this one as A and this one as B, then let me take this point as C, point C. So this point C will be in the interior, and even if I take a point D here, even this will be in the interior. If I take even this point E, even this will be in the interior. Why? Because if I extend it in this way, this ray here, and if this ray is extended here, you can see that this is within the angle of these two, within the angle formed by these two rays. But if I take a point, let's say F here, then there is no way that doesn't matter up to what extent you extend them, that is OA and OB, F is never going to be within, never going to be within the range of this angle AOB. It will always be outside. If I take F here, if I take G here, if I take H here, if I take I here, right? So F, G, H and I, these points will always be in the exterior. These points will be in the exterior, and these 3 points are in the interior. These 4 points are to the exterior of this angle. And let's say that we have some points, like we have point X here, we have a point Y here, we have a point Z here. So X, Y and Z, these 3 points are on this angle. I'm repeating again, C, D, E are the points which are interior to this angle AOB. F, G, H, I are exterior to this angle AOB, and point X, Y, Z are on this angle AOB. So that is about interior and exterior of an angle, and about the points that are on any given angle.